Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to batch and export invoices in FactWeb. Before invoices can be exported to your accounting system, first they must be batched. Note that you can only include invoices that have been received and approved when creating a batch for export. If you try and include an invoice that has not been marked as received and approved, the option to batch invoices will be grayed out. Highlight the invoices you wish to batch, right-click, and select the option to batch invoices for export. You can either add to an existing batch or create a new batch. If we select the Add New option, we will be asked to create a batch name. This needs to be unique, so something along the lines of the date is a good option. If you are creating multiple batches in a day, these could then be the date and batch number. You can also add a status and assign to a user if required. Remember to click the Add button to link the invoices to the batch. Once your batch is created, you go to the Export Batches screen, find your batch, and from here you can amend the status to Ready for Export if you have the authority to approve batches or assign this to an approver. Remember to click the Save button to save the changes. Until a batch is marked as ready for export, the Export button is grayed out. Once the batch has been approved, you are then able to click the Export button. This will export the data to your accounting system. You can also mark the batch as exported here. Occasionally, a batch may fail. This is due to a validation error, such as a GL code or supplier code not being in the accounting system. Open the log file to find what happened and remove the invoice from the batch. To remove an invoice, select it from the list, right-click, and select Remove. Assign this back to a user and add a note, then in the AP Invoices screen, the error can be corrected. The invoice approved again, and then it can either be added back into the batch or a new batch created. Remember, you can control who can approve and/or export batches in the user settings in the control panel. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you.